Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will be looking at Jacobs' 1887 study into the capacity of short-term memory, which you need to know for AQA A-level psychology in the subtopic of memory. I hope you enjoy this video and find it helpful. Let's get started. Jacob aimed to investigate the capacity of short-term memory, specifically focusing on how much information individuals can hold in their memory at one time. Jacob conducted a study using a sample of students, who were presented with sequences of digits or letters and asked them to immediately recall them in the correct order. The sequences increased in length by one digit each time until the participants could no longer recall them correctly. Jacob found that the mean digit span was 9.3 items and the mean letter span was 7.3 items. Jacob concluded that the capacity of short-term memory is limited, with the average digit span being around 7 items. Jacob's study has several strengths and limitations. A strength of Jacob's study is that it is a pioneering piece of research in the field of cognitive psychology, specifically regarding memory. At the time of its publication in 1887, there was limited empirical research on the capacity of short-term memory. Jacob's systematic approach and methodology provided foundational insights that have influenced subsequent studies on memory. His use of the digit span task established a reliable method for measuring memory capacity, which has been replicated and built upon by later researchers, including Miller. This pioneering work not only contributed to our understanding of memory limits but also set the stage for future investigations into cognitive processes, making it a significant milestone in psychological research. This is a strength because it suggests that Jacob's findings laid the groundwork for future research, highlighting the importance of empirical methods in psychology. The reliability of the digit span task as a measurement tool indicates that researchers can build upon his work, leading to a deeper understanding of memory processes. Furthermore, by establishing a systematic approach, Jacobs paved the way for more rigorous studies, enhancing the scientific credibility of cognitive psychology as a discipline. A strength of Jacob's study is that it produced quantifiable results, which allowed for a clear measurement of memory capacity. By using the digit span task, Jacobs was able to systematically record the longest sequence of digits that participants could recall accurately. This quantitative data provided a concrete basis for understanding the limits of short-term memory, as it could be analyzed statistically. The ability to quantify results means that Jacob's findings could be compared across different individuals and populations, enhancing the reliability and validity of the conclusions drawn. Additionally, these quantifiable results have been pivotal in shaping further research in cognitive psychology, as they serve as a benchmark for measuring memory capacity in various contexts. This is a strength because it suggests that Jacob's research provides a solid foundation for understanding memory capacity in a measurable way. The quantifiable results not only enhance the reliability of his findings but also allow for comparisons across different studies and populations, which is crucial for advancing knowledge in cognitive psychology. This systematic approach underscores the significance of empirical research in establishing benchmarks that future studies can reference and build upon. A strength of Jacob's study is that it is supported by more recent research. Miller, 1956, aimed to investigate the capacity of short-term memory. He analyzed data from experiments where participants were asked to recall numbers, letters, or words presented to them in various sequences. He found that the capacity of short-term memory is 7 items plus or minus 2. He also discovered that people can increase the capacity of their short-term memory by grouping information into chunks. Miller concluded that short-term memory has a limited capacity, which can be expanded through chunking. This is a strength because it suggests that Jacob's findings are not only valid in isolation but are also corroborated by subsequent research, enhancing the overall credibility of the conclusions drawn about short-term memory. The alignment between Jacobs and Miller's studies indicates a consistent understanding of memory capacity, which strengthens the foundation for further exploration in cognitive psychology. A limitation of Jacobs' study is that it lacks population validity, meaning that the findings may not be generalizable to the broader population. Jacobs primarily conducted his research with a limited sample size, often involving university students or individuals from similar backgrounds. This homogeneity can lead to biased results, as the memory capacity of these individuals may not accurately reflect that of the general population, which includes a diverse range of ages, educational levels, and cognitive abilities. This is a limitation because it suggests that the findings from Jacobs' study may not be applicable to everyone, particularly those outside the specific demographic of university students. The lack of diversity in the sample means that the conclusions drawn about memory capacity could be skewed, potentially overlooking how different age groups or individuals with varying educational backgrounds may perform in memory tasks. This limitation raises concerns about the overall reliability of the study's implications for understanding human memory in a broader context. A limitation of Jacobs' study is that it lacks temporal validity, meaning that the findings may not be relevant to contemporary society. The research was conducted in the early 19th century, a time when educational methods, cognitive training, and societal factors influencing memory were vastly different from today. Since then, advancements in technology and changes in how information is processed, such as the prevalence of digital media and the Internet, could significantly impact memory capacity and retention. As a result, the conclusions drawn from Jacobs' study may not accurately reflect current memory performance or the cognitive abilities of individuals today. This is a limitation because it suggests that the findings may not be applicable to individuals in today's society, where cognitive demands and learning environments have evolved significantly. The differences in technology and information processing now compared to the time of Jacobs' study could mean that memory capabilities have changed, leading to potential discrepancies between past research and current memory performance. This raises concerns about the relevance of the conclusions drawn from the study, highlighting the importance of conducting more contemporary research to better understand memory in the present context. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye.